Hey everybody, Steve here again. I want to show you another part that we're introducing in our vintage parts inventory for the repro parts. This is a 9.5 millimeter floor tom leg bracket system, and this is what was used on the Gretsch sets in the early 50s, the 3-ply era kits. And what this is a pass-through, obviously here, with a T-screw here, and you slide the 9.5 millimeter leg into this bracket. And I'm going to show you using one of our newly designed reproductions of the Gretsch floor tom leg brackets. So, there you go. Now what's beautiful about this design is the following. What you see here is a bracket on the back, which was for the normal hole spacing. So these two posts, one would go into each of the holes that were there for an original floor tom leg bracket. This post goes behind inside the drum, and these screws attach it. Now, there's an interesting thing about this that makes it a little more versatile. What you can do, if you so desire, you may have a floor tom leg bracket missing on one of your vintage kits, and the distance from center to center, hole-wise, might be larger than what you see here. But you can still use this as a universal reproduction for any two-hole floor tom leg bracket that held a 9.5 millimeter leg, because you just simply take this backing plate off. So if you take this backing plate off, what you then basically have is two single node posts. You have two of these. So you simply put that one into the top hole where your floor tom leg bracket was, take the other one off, put it in the bottom, and therefore the hole spacing is immaterial because you can now make it work no matter what the hole spacing is. So it's a nice universal replacement. If you've got missing floor tom leg brackets and you want to replace them but you can't find the old original brackets, this will serve to solve that problem for you, and it won't require any drilling of any extra holes at all, because there's the spacing is not an issue any longer because you've got the ability to place them wherever they're needed. So again, there's the bracket. It's a terrific new piece, going to be available. And again, it's a retrofit for the original Gretsch Gladstone brackets, they call them, that were on the 50s era Gretsch. And it's also a great fit for any sort of a floor tom leg bracket that's got a two-hole post. If you need a generic replacement, here it is, and you don't have to drill any extra holes. You can see it at maxwelldrums.com. Thanks.